Back in November of 2022, J-Link launched a new line of monitors which included an ultra-wide display. This 34 by 24 ultra-wide curved gaming monitor features a 1440p resolution with 144 Hz refresh rate. Due to their wide viewing angles, these monitors are great for gamers who want a truly immersive experience. These monitors are also great for content creators and business-oriented consumers who may need to open and view multiple windows at once to increase productivity and make workflow easier. Before we get started with the review and unboxing, I'd just like to thank MacSources.com for sending us this product to review. Go ahead and check out their website for all the latest news and reviews in tech, and also check out the website for the full written review. Onto the unboxing part of the video, you're going to see that it's pretty standard packaging included here. Opening it up, you're going to be getting a base stand and mount, power supply, instruction manual, the display itself, and a display port cable. There's no HDMI cable included in this packaging. Installation was pretty simple, straightforward. The base connects to the monitor mount and is held together by 3 Phillips screws. With the monitor facing down, the mount is slid into place and secured by a locking mechanism. The base, which is mostly metal, feels steady and solid. The mount, which is mostly plastic, felt solid as well, and the display is able to be VESA mountable. To the rear of the monitor, you're going to be getting lots of ports. You're going to get a display port, 2 HDMI ports, a USB Type-C port, a LAN port, and a headphone jack. Also to the rear of the monitor, you're going to be getting some RGB lighting. It isn't very bright in the daytime, but at night you will be able to notice it. First, I tested out the display connected to an Xbox Series X, and I was pleased to see that the Series X did indeed support the ultra-wide format. I was also able to set the refresh rate to 120 Hz, which is the max refresh rate for the Xbox Series X console. At first, the picture was a bit overexposed for me, but with a few tinkering in the settings, I was able to produce a much better picture. Gaming felt great and immersive. I didn't notice any input lag at all. Also, FreeSync, which is a feature for this monitor, is very helpful to help prevent screen tearing. One thing I didn't notice is the auto HDR feature, which is included in the Xbox, would not activate, so that's telling me that this monitor may not be true HDR. To be fair, it's not advertised as a feature, but it is available to activate in the in-monitor settings. Next, I tested the monitor out on my PC, and I think the display fared much better. Being able to tweak the settings both on the monitor and on the PC itself made a huge difference in picture quality. Connecting via HDMI though, I was only able to get a refresh rate of 100 Hz for some reason. I found this kind of strange since the console was able to produce 120 Hz via HDMI, and swapping out cables really didn't seem to fix anything for me. What did fix things was using the DisplayPort cable that was included in packaging. I was able to run at 1440p at 144 Hz with no problem. HDMR did work on the PC, but only resulted in a slightly brighter picture with some pretty bad ghosting, so I wouldn't advise using this feature at all. The monitor really did well when editing video and multitasking. Just being able to see an extended timeline of your project made editing a lot easier. If you're looking to purchase this monitor, it's currently for sale on Amazon.com for $499. This particular model isn't for sale on J-Link's official website. I found that a little odd, but it may just be an Amazon exclusive item. In conclusion, ultra-wide monitor prices in general seem to be all over the place. Well-known brands such as Samsung, Scepter, and Philips, just to name a few, are sometimes as low as $299 USD, albeit at slightly lower refresh rates, to well over $1,000 for a 4K display. This monitor seems to fall somewhere in the middle regarding price and function. 1440p resolution, 140 per hertz refresh rate. I was really impressed with this monitor's performance and picture, to be honest with you. So if you're looking for an ultra-wide display, I highly recommend this monitor, and I'll probably be using this as my main monitor from now on. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out a lot, and we'll be seeing you guys next time. Thanks.